All right, I want to run this past the group, see if anybody else has this problem, if this is normal, or if there's something wrong with this thing. I just picked up the spark cab and listen to the self noise. Listen to the hiss. And that is with the cab all the way down below 2. The volume of the speaker is below 2. There's nothing actually even plugged into this thing right now. I have unplugged the amp and everything. This is just the sound of this amp, or this cab by itself. So, is that normal? Or do I need to send this back for a different one? I'm really hoping that this is not normal, but maybe it is. Maybe that's the way that it works.